I'm Peter Zelinski. My thing is manufacturing. How manufacturing technology is changing, how manufacturing organizations are advancing, and what these developments mean for the people who are making products, making parts, building businesses. I studied engineering, I worked in machining, but my calling is reporting, looking to the bigger picture, pulling on the deeper threads behind the stories of the teams and the companies and the technologies that are changing what's possible in production. Manufacturing is changing faster now than it has before. New systems, new resources, new pressures, new possibilities. That's what this channel is about. If you are building a company or building a career in manufacturing, you'll find ideas here worth thinking about. I'd be honored if you subscribe. Join the conversation in the comments. I'm glad you're here.